Hello friend, in this video we will tell about the MBBS study strategy. What study strategies? That what strategies do you follow to ace your MBBS? Are you know MBBS study have a long books of physiology, anatomy, first year MBBS, anatomy, physiology, biochemistry. There are a lot of book. Many of students can't read these book at only single time. Okay, so what the strategy that you follow to ace your MBBS study, and you can easily read everything, and what is important for you, you can follow everything. Okay, so the first thing is the active learning strategies. The active learning strategies is that, for example, if you read something and after reading, are you remember anything, are you know, are you understand, that is the active learning strategy. Many of students just only read, but they don't understand or remember the things that is important. Okay, so the first thing is active learning strategy, that you follow the active learning strategy. How? So for this purpose you have to concept mapping. For example, if you start a chapter, for example CVS, so then write a broad topic. Okay, then divide it into tree, just like a tree. For example, tree have a trunk, then branches, then etc. Okay, just like this, just like a tree, you have to completely, for example, if the cardiovascular system, you have to complete broad topic, then broad into small, just like concept making tool. Okay, create a mind map of the chapters, then read. The next thing is the technique concept to other, for teaching to concept to other. For example, if you read something just for along with your classmate or class fellow or friend, to teach them what you have read. If you teach something, they will go to your subconscious mind and become memorized. Okay, that will be easily for you. So the active learning strategy, you have to make a concept mapping, and the next thing is the teaching learning. Or another thing is, for example, if you read a single page, you have to you close your book and ask from yourself that what I read and what I remembered. Okay, now the next thing is utilizing technology. This is a digital technology, so you have to also utilize technology. How? The digital flashcard. Are you know about the flashcard? What is flashcard? Flashcards are just like a summaries. Summaries are key points. Key points are, for example, lecture notes or notes. Okay, these are the flashcards that you need. For example, a long book, but the flashcard provide an overview that what is important, that what you have read. It help you in during revision session. When you do your revision, flashcard will help you a lot. So customized to focus on your. So how you can find a flashcard? Install Anki app. In the Anki app you can use a flashcard. I have a complete introduction on Anki. You can visit my channel to watch that lecture. Okay, now another thing is online interactive resources. For example, if when you go to your college, there are teachers teach you, but you can't understand. So you have to also online interactive resources. For example, where do lectures, osmosis lecture, osmosis is best for every person. Explore online interactive resources, website, apps. Website, I will tell about the best website for MBBS, and apps I have already make in video on apps. Okay, so follow that video. Quizzes. In the many apps have quizzes and interactive content. Okay, so if you watch that video, the interactive apps will help you a lot. For example, Anki, Midcap, etc. Now, effective note taking strategy. For example, if you are noting, for example, if you online lectures, if you start your online lecture, for example, osmosis is best. You can buy it in our description. We will provide a link. Okay, so taking effective notes is very important. One is the structured note taking, another is annotate textbook or lecture slide. For example, if you are you watch lectures, okay, so you have to make a blue, red and yellow pin, yellow ballpoint for yourself. Buy these 3 pins, and after that note that lecture in a structured way. Okay, that will help you in a revision manner. Another thing is annotating textbook and lecture slide. For example, there are many PDF books. We will provide all PDF books. Just to go to the description and join our community. Okay. So annotate textbook, for example, there are many apps. Many apps you have to download the apps. For example, the Zodo is an app that you can download it. There will help you a lot. For example, it will help you highlighting the textbook, highlighting the important point, etc. Just like this. Okay, so that will help you during revision session and can help you a lot. Okay, you can use PDF are very important for your session because you can't buy all books of MBBS. Problem solving, case based learning. Another thing is important is that you have to concept, for example, problem based. If you study something, you have to go to online and problem solving MCQs, do problem solving MCQs. Okay, the next thing is continued review and revision. This is very important, very important things for you that you have to review and revision. For example, if you read 50 pages and after you can't read for some time, you will just forget everything. So that's why you have to give a day for day things, or week, or hour, or 2 or 3 hours. Give that to that what you have read, so that can't be forget from you. Okay, so review and revision is very important for you. Regular self-assessment. Now collaborative learning strategy. I have already discussed in the about this, that if you have a friends, so joins group session, you have to study in the groups. That will help you a lot. Join group study and peer teaching session. In join group study, for example, you have 1 friend, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have a lot of idea because MBBS is a lot of is a broad subject. Okay, so they have a different thing, different idea about something. They will combine this, and this will combine a hybrid thing that will help you a lot and will be a very high conceptual things will come to you. Okay, another thing is peer teaching session. For example, make a peer for understand, help other. For example, if you understand something, just teach that things to your friend, to your others classmate. Okay, that will help you a lot. They will build your concept so much strong. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and like the video.